This video is about an American short-haired Calico cat and her litter of 6 kittens. The feline was dropped off at our home on 104 Palmer Road in Ripley, Mississippi in late February of 2013, and a litter of kittens came along on June the 2nd of 2013. Here in the beginning, we'll show her playing in the living room here shortly after she arrived here in early March of 2013. Here, girl. Hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Look here. Here's Mama Sally and her 6 children. Was born 2 nights ago. Here we have a American short hair. The mama named Sally. I guess she's something like 7 months old, and there was 6 kittens born to her on the 8th of June of 2013, and she'd been taking care of them for about a week. They was a week old last night, night before last, about 3 o'clock in the morning. So let's get a shot of them. There's 6 of them. They're all sorts of colors, and we're gonna let the lady of the house take them one by one and see if we can show them one by one and some of the colors on them. Okay, let me get here. What we got here? Let me zoom in. Rex, don't bother. Yeah, look at there. We see that one. What color would you say it was, Nancy?
It's all colors. It's kind of tan and black and white.
They're just beginning to open their eyes now. Okay, put that down and get you another one. We'll try to show all of them here. Okay, this looks like a yellow or orange. Look this way, boy or girl, whatever you are. Yeah, okay. Put it down, get you another one. Okay. This one here is also orange. All right, let's zoom in a little on it. Okay. They hadn't been named yet. Okay. Get you another one. Anyway,
oh my God, Milton.
Anyway, there's a pile of them.
I got that on that video.
Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's see what this one is. My camera dropping all over the place. Okay, okay, that's another one of them. Don't know their sex yet. Okay, let's get in on this one. Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the last of the 6. Looks like it's got a lot of black, brown, and okay. Put him back down with Mama. Mama been taking care of them. If the human race would only take care of their children like this cat, or like most animals do, we wouldn't have no problem. Let's see. Mama, you want to look this way? Yeah, I've got them so close in. I'm trying to find Mama. Sally? Sally. Look this way, girl. Look here, the dog. The dog is peeping in there to him. He likes cats. Yeah, he likes kitties. Rex? You like them kitties? Yeah. Yeah, you like them. They'll be out here running around in a few days, and you'll be playing with them. Your mama's hugging them up. Yeah, just look at there. What do you think about that, Rex? Have you ever seen anything like that before? Woo, I don't believe so. Okay, that's gonna about do it for today. We'll take some videos of them as they grow up and become running around and on into the nothing happen when they become cats. And it won't be many days till they'll be out running around. Okay, let's fade it out. Here we are with Sally. Sally's a mother to 6 kittens, which was 2 weeks old this past Saturday. They'll be 3 weeks old this coming Sunday morning about 2 o'clock. They've all got their eyes open. All 6 of them appear to be healthy. and they're wanting out of the prison, the box. And Mama taking care of them. And hey, Mama, come on, give us a good look. You're pretty, Mama. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, let's get down here. Let's see if we can. Right here is one of them. He's a little yellow and white or orange and white. And he's ready to go. He's wanting out of that box. Here's another one. He's a mixture of several colors. I don't know the way I'm doing it here, where I'm getting it all in the... But anyway, that's another one of them. Hasn't been named yet. Okay, let me have this, Mama. Okay, here's one that's colored up similar to its mama. And it's got them claws. It can hold on with them claws. It's ready. It's ready to get out of this prison now. And let's see, here's a close to a black one. It's got some little bit of lighter color in it. Well, it's ready to go too. All of them just as healthy as they can be. And Mama's taking good care of them. If all mamas across, and including the human race, was as good to the children as old Sally is, that'd be a much better world to live in, wouldn't it, that little guy? Yeah. I don't know. Here's another orange one. I got two orange ones. I don't know where it's a Iowa or whatever it is. Okay, I think that get all of them, Mama? They're all looking for a dinner plate. Some of them's finding it. All of them is finding it, 'cause all of them, there's no run in a bunch in the number of 6. Look at that, that's wanting out. Yeah, I want to get out and see what the world's all about. It almost did it. Yes, it did. It'll be all over the house here in a few days. They're back here in the bedroom where she had them here, be 3 weeks ago this Sunday morning. Oh, she's laying down. She's getting... Hey, Sally, you want to look this way? Yeah, look at that, that's Sally. She's a pretty mama kitty. There you go. We've got a dog here that's is very interested in what these kitties are doing. He's wanting down to get in there with him. But he don't know. I don't guess that Mama got a good set of claws and a good pair of teeth. He might have wished he hadn't got in there. But it looks like she done give up. Yeah, it does. Okay, we'll go now and we'll get them a little later. Sally and those 6 kittens. Okay, today the 6 kittens, it was 1 month old this morning between 1 and 5 o'clock a.m. 1 month ago. And poor old mama, Sally, she's a good old mama, but I think they're hurting her sometimes. But she still takes it in stride and sees after them, don't know whether kitties around them. And you see they're all busy there trying to get them something to eat. There's a good shot of Mama Sally right there.
graduated from
Good, you sleepy girl? Sleepy girl? Sally? Sleepy girl? Hey, Ray. And he likes them. They bunk up with him. All them cousins from another litter.
Right.
Don't worry about the fader, just get
Okay, I got it now.
Ooh, look here. Let's see, they're about 13 weeks old now. Ooh, let's see if it wants something to eat. We got Sally, the mother of them, and her 6 kittens, and we got old Smokey, he's from another litter. Eat with her, Mama. I guess he won't.
Well, Brian hers over here too. Well,
Okay. Let me get here. Okay, this is a litter of kittens that was born on June the 2nd of 2013. And today is Tuesday, September the 17th, I believe, somewhere thereabouts. And here's the whole litter having lunch or supper. And the white one, you see, there's from another litter. That's Smokey. He's from another litter. He looks like he's got part Siamese, maybe Blue Point Siamese. Okay, here is Sally. She's a mother of the 6 kittens. She likes to have her supper by herself. She's just tired putting up with them 6 children of hers, but she still plays with them, runs with them, wrestles with them. But she sort of likes to have her privacy when she's having her lunch or supper or breakfast. They're 14 weeks old. There's Miss Sally, the mama to all of them. Hey, Sally. Hey, Jolly. Foxy. Charlie. We're going to close out this video of showing the big monster, the big tiger of the place here. This is Sox. He was born in early 2006. Little girl up near Walnut had a litter and had them posted at the vet's office. Wanted to know if anybody wanted a kitty. So we got him. He weighed about 26, 27 pounds. You see that, right? And he's a good old cat. He's not aggressive. The only fault he got, if you're out in the yard walking, he wants to get right in your way and trip the old people. And then what do you want to lose for? You know you've been videotaped, don't you? Okay, this year will conclude the story of some of the cats on 104 Plummer Road. And we'll be making more of them, but old Sock wanted to be in it. He asked me, I see you out here making a video of all these other little old kittens. Why can't I be in a video? So he's going to be in the video.